Hello, everyone, and thank you for joining our Hydrogen Therapy podcast, where we attempt to educate you on the best therapeutic products for supplemental antioxidation and oxidation therapy to maintain or restore your health. Today, we continue a series discussing how our health is simply a balance of oxidation and antioxidation that, like yin and yang opposites, merge together in perfect balance. While oxidation is often portrayed as purely destructive, it is a vital component of innate immunity, cellular housekeeping, and antiviral defense. Our health depends on maintaining redox-homeostasis, a delicate balance where the controlled production of reactive oxygen species ROS, such as superoxide and hydrogen peroxide, serve as a critical signaling mechanism. These molecules act as messengers that trigger immune pathways, activate stress response genes, and regulate the cell cycle. A strategic approach to health must involve a balanced strategy using targeted oxidizer interventions to attack pathogens while antioxidants repair and manage inflammatory responses. Unfortunately, the health supplement industry often mischaracterizes oxidative stress to sell too many antioxidant products, leading many to counterproductive suppression of vital cell signaling and delayed viral cleansing. Most importantly, oxidation supports apoptosis, that is a controlled method of eliminating infected, precancerous, or zombie senescent cells without causing systemic inflammation. When viruses and pathogens attempt to block natural cell death, elevated ROS can override that block, exposing infected, mutated, deformed cells to the immune system and triggering apoptosis and autophagy, which is an important self-cleaning function that degrades viral particles and eliminates protein waste. Autophagy literally translates from Greek as self-eating and serves as the primary mechanism for cellular orderliness and waste management. It's the cell's recycling system that identifies broken parts, such as damaged mitochondria or misfolded proteins, and breaks them down into raw materials to build new components. This process is critical for longevity because it prevents the buildup of toxic cell garbage that can otherwise lead to cellular metabolic dysfunction. Autophagy consists of an orderly sequence of events when a cell experiences stress or nutrient deprivation, where a small isolation membrane called a phagophore begins to form a membrane that curves around the targeted cellular trash, closing in to form a double membrane bag known as an autophagosome. Once the trash bag is sealed, it joins with a lysosome, an organelle containing powerful digestive enzymes that dissolve the waste into recycled amino and fatty acids that can be used for energy or repair. While autophagy is highly efficient in our youth, it naturally declines after the age of 40, which can lead to energy crashes and a slower immune response. This decline is why external triggers are often necessary to jumpstart the system beyond natural methods like fasting, cold plunges, and intense exercise. Research has proven that molecular hydrogen not only jumpstarts autophagy, but also regulates it to prevent overactivity. We sell high-dose rejuvenation hydrogen tablets for specific intervention with a hormetic stressor response, mimicking a mild stress signal to provoke the cell to reactivate autophagy pathways, ensuring that the cleaning crew stays active even as we age. We are always alarmed when people find out they have a serious disease like cancer and go into panic and desperation mode, buying every product that gives them hope instead of examining the underlying cause, which begins and ends at the cellular level. It's quite simple, really. If your cells are healthy, then you are healthy. People in panic make too many mistakes and usually get worse by not knowing the efficacy, dosage, or frequency and/or redundancy of what they buy, let alone when combined can be contraindicated with each other. The worst thing that happens is that they lose hope and end up thinking they were scammed because they were not cured in a few weeks and left financially drained and back to square one. Most of these people never took responsibility for their health and feel so powerless they don't know who or what to believe. We know this because we talk to them every day, and unfortunately most of them are not able to understand what we are talking about, even though we don't get technical, but they can't believe it is so simple either. It is like speaking Greek to them. Typically, they say, "Why didn't my doctor tell me anything like this?" Unfortunately, we just don't have the weeks to explain why that is so. In summary, we remind everyone, Oxidation is a vital regulatory force in immune defense, a tool we need to harness for controlled production of reactive oxygen species for many more benefits than potential harm. Since our natural balance is slightly over-oxidized, we can maintain redox homeostasis with regular use of our best-selling combination of rejuvenation hydrogen tablets and carbon-60 as little as just 3 times a week. This protocol will surely keep up with our over-oxidative lives and an irregular fruit and vegetable diet. If you are already in an unbalanced state, then a rotation of therapies using ivermectin as an oxidizer and hydrogen and carbon-60 as an antioxidizer should eventually restore balance and relieve symptoms. Your health should not be a mystery, and if we can help you unburden it, then your own viral defense and cellular repair system will heal you. Our therapeutics only jumpstart your own functions instead of replace them like allopathic medicine. We will be happy to customize a supplemental protocol for you based on your age, lifestyle, and health. We hope you enjoyed this episode and thank you for subscribing. In future programs, we will break it down in more specifics and explain how therapeutics maintain or restore your health balance. You are always welcome to call before using our products to guide you in dose and frequency based on your health, lifestyle, and age, because everyone is a little different. Thanks again, and feel free to comment or ask us a question here, as well as visit our website at h2waterforlife.com and like, subscribe, and share it with others.